Hello and welcome everyone. I am Dr. Mary Anodio from Nagaland University. In today's lecture, we will explore part 3 of our organizational behavior series covering the fundamental concepts, nature, determinants, and challenges of OB. This lecture will help you to build a stronger foundation to understand how people and organizations interact. Let's begin. To understand how people behave in organizations, OB rests on two foundational dimensions, that is, the nature of people and the nature of organizations. Let's explore each of these to see what assumptions OB makes about individuals and institutions. Organizational behavior is grounded in several key assumptions about the nature of people, which help to explain how individuals behave in the workplace. Individual differences. Each person is unique. Organizational behavior respects the diversity in personality, values, and attitudes. Perception. People interpret the same reality differently, which affects the communication and behavior. Whole person concept. Employees bring not just the skills, but their emotions, values, and experiences too when they join an organization. Motivated behavior. People act based on motivation. It can be a positive motivation, which is rewards, or negative motivation, which is fear. Desire for involvement. People want to contribute and feel part of something meaningful. Value of the person. Employees should be respected and valued for who they are. Human dignity. Respect for each individual is non-negotiable. Organizational behavior also relies on assumptions about the nature of organizations and their functioning. Social systems. Organizations operate within the broader social systems. Roles can be formally assigned or informal, which is like as per the emergency requirement. Mutual interest. Employees and organizations are interdependent, where organizations need talent, creativity of the people, whereas people need opportunities. Holistic concept. OB examines people in their totality, which means their personal and professional lives cannot be completely separated. Ethics. Organizations must uphold moral standards. Ethical cultures attract and retain committed talent. Organizational behavior is a multidisciplinary, human-centric field. Its nature can be described as applied behavioral science, which is derived from psychology, sociology, anthropology, etc. Interdisciplinary, where it draws from multiple fields to understand human behavior. Humanistic and optimistic, which means respects individuals and believes in growth potential. Predictive and influential, aims to understand, predict, and guide the behavior of individuals. Multi-level focus, studies individuals, groups, and entire organizational systems at different levels. Goal-oriented, it seeks to improve productivity, satisfaction, and organizational health. As you can see from the image presented, there are four primary determinants that influences organizational behavior. Number one, people, the traits, values, backgrounds, and skills of the employees. For example, a diverse workforce brings rich perspectives and potential challenges. Two, structure, how the roles and authorities are organized in an organization. For example, flat versus hierarchical structures impact communication and decision making. Three, technology. These are the tools that influences how work is done. For example, automation may change the job roles or employee expectations in an organization. Fourth is the environment. Internal, which is the culture or morale, and external, which is the market or legal. These internal and external conditions, it shapes the behavior of the people in the organization. Challenges of organizational behavior. Number one, improving people skills. Employees need strong interpersonal and communication skills to work effectively in teams and with customers. Training and development help to build collaboration, leadership, and conflict resolution. Number two, quality and productivity. For example, total quality management. Organizations must deliver high quality products and services while keeping the cost reduced. Methods like total quality management are and continuous improvement focus on efficiency and customer satisfaction. Number three, managing the workforce diversity. Today's workforce is multicultural and diverse in gender, age, and backgrounds. Managing diversity means creating inclusive policies, respecting differences, and leveraging varied perspectives of better outcomes. Responding to globalization. Business operate in a global marketplace. This requires adapting to different cultures, managing cross-border teams, and handling competition on an international scale. Encouraging innovation. Rapid technological change demands creativity and new ideas. Organizations must foster an environment where employees feel safe to experiment and propose novel solutions. Empowerment and work-life balance. Empowerment means giving employees the autonomy and decision-making power. At the same time, companies must respect personal lives, offering flexibility and support to reduce burnout. Ethics and customer orientation. Ethical behavior builds trust and long-term success. At the same time, a strong customer orientation ensures that decisions and actions always prioritize customers' needs and satisfaction. Despite the challenges, OB presents opportunities for growth and transformation, which includes creating inclusive cultures, leveraging the diversity for innovation, building agile organizations for rapid change, using OB insights to improve job satisfaction, collaboration, and organizational performance. To summarize, understanding the fundamental concepts, the nature of people and organization, the determinants, and the challenges help us to navigate the complexities of workplace behavior. OB empowers us to build better systems, nurture talent, and adapt to an ever evolving work landscape. Thank you for joining this session.